In this video, I'm going to show you how to check trade history in Exness. Now, there's actually two ways to do this. You can do it inside your personal area, so inside your dashboard, simply go to your trading button top left and then click on History of Orders. In here, you can of course select the account you want to see it for. If the account doesn't have any orders, you won't be able to basically see the trade history, but if it does, so I'm going to go to this demo MP5. As you can see under open orders, there's all my trade history, and you can do this thing for each and every single account you have. So if you have multiple, you'll be able to switch between them and see your trade history. Okay, so we have like the type, the opening time, lots, opening price, and the position ID, as well as your commission. Now, if you want to download this as a CSV, you can do that over here, and it's going to download in CSV, comma separated values format. Now, you can also go and sort by time over here, start to end or all time, and that's the first way you could do this inside Exness personal area. You could also do it if you are inside their trading terminal. So you can go to the bottom here where it says open. You can make this a bit bigger by kind of clicking and dragging it up, and you can go to open, pending, and closed, and you'll be able to basically see the positions for the last one day as it says over here. Okay, if you go here, you can also select the columns you want to view, and that's essentially all you have to do to check trade history in Exness. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.